Golden Torch Cactus Incubator Kit Instructions. Discount in the description below. Remove the tape from both sides of the incubator kit and take out the instructions, the peat pellet, and the packet of golden torch cactus seeds. Place the peat pellet in a small container and add water. It will absorb the water and expand. Once it's fully moist, there may be a little water left. This is normal. Break open the peat pellet and pour about 3/4 of the soil into the incubator. Gently pat it down, leaving some soil in the pellet for later. Now take a small portion of the seeds. This packet contains over 100 tiny golden torch seeds. You only need about 15 to 20 for now. Sprinkle them evenly across the surface of the soil. Then use the remaining soil from the peat pellet to lightly cover the seeds with about 1/8 inch of soil. Since the peat is already moist, there's no need to water it again at this stage. Put the lid on the incubator and place it in a warm, bright location. In winter, you can use a heating pad to maintain warmth. In spring or summer, a sunny kitchen counter works great. Here's a look at some golden torch seedlings beginning to sprout. Once the seeds have germinated, water sparingly. Use a spray bottle to gently mist the soil, just enough to keep it damp, not wet. As the seedlings grow, start them in bright, indirect light. After a few weeks, gradually acclimate them to direct sunlight, starting with morning sun or filtered light for a few hours each day. Once established, golden torch cacti thrive with 6 to 8 hours of full sun daily. Avoid long-term shade, as it can slow growth and lead to pale or stressed plants.